how to find TonKeeper wallet address. So if you want to find the TonKeeper wallet address, then first you just need to simply open up your TonKeeper application. And once you've launched your TonKeeper mobile application, make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, on the home page, you are going to see the wallet in the top. And if you tap on the wallet option, then here on the bottom, you will have all of the wallets, right? So you just need to simply tap on the wallet which is currently available. And then, so once you've selected the wallet, now here you will have the wallet amount, right? So under that amount, you will have the wallet address. So simply tap on the wallet address, and once you tap on it, it will already say copied on the upper side of your screen and on the bottom side of your screen. So you can again see that. Now if you tap on it, you will have the copy option. Once you tap on copied, or just tap on the wallet address, and it has been copied. Now what you need to do is simply go with your notes or any search bar. Once you go with the search, now simply paste the wallet address, and this is your wallet address. Or you can simply go with your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with, like Google browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and then simply paste the thing that you've copied, and this is your wallet address. So that's how you can find your TonKeeper wallet address. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.